AudioControl's D-4.800 amplifier delivers genuinely strong, clean power that easily handles demanding aftermarket speakers without strain or audible hiss. The built-in digital signal processor gives you very fine control over crossovers, equalization, and time alignment, letting you dial in a system that sounds far more cohesive than typical car audio setups. Laptop-based tuning replaces tiny panel knobs with a clear, visual interface, so serious tweakers can store multiple profiles and make precise adjustments without guesswork. Its ability to accept and intelligently combine multiple speaker-level inputs means it integrates smoothly with complex factory head units while still feeding your new speakers a refined, unified signal. Helpful touches like automatic signal sensing, turn-on, and status indicator lights make day-to-day use almost effortless, while also helping you avoid distortion or setup mistakes. Support for an optional wired remote and flexible channel configurations, including bridged subwoofer duty, makes this amp a long-term centerpiece that can adapt as your system grows.